Welcome to this week's edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by LucidQuest. Sarepta has resumed shipments of Elevidys to ambulatory Duchenne muscular dystrophy patients. The FDA lifted its pause on the treatment following safety reviews, and advocacy pressures led to a revised stance. However, shipments for non-ambulatory patients remain on hold, pending further safety data. Roche is facing a setback with Elevidys in the EU. The European Medicines Agency issued a negative opinion for approval of Elevidys in ambulatory Duchenne patients. Despite this, Roche remains confident in the therapy's benefit-risk profile and continues to engage in discussions with the EMA for future approval. Genethon has launched a pivotal Phase 3 trial for GNT0004, a low-dose microdystrophin gene therapy aimed at Duchenne muscular dystrophy. The trial, which will involve 64 boys, seeks to improve muscle function while minimizing side effects, offering hope for improved outcomes in this patient population. Mayo Clinic has reported early success in gene therapy for osteoarthritis. The therapy showed long-lasting pain relief and improvements in joint function, which could potentially transform treatment for the 32.5 million U.S. adults living with the condition. Rocket Pharmaceuticals has announced a restructuring to refocus on cardiovascular gene therapies. The company plans to reduce its workforce by 30% while continuing clinical work on therapies targeting heart failure. Acela Health has partnered with Abeona Therapeutics to launch Zavaskin, a cell-based gene therapy for recessive dystrophic epidermolysis bullosa. This partnership ensures patient access to the therapy and supports the implementation of customized services to enhance treatment success. Diuresis Therapeutics has formed a partnership with Northway Biotech to develop an AAV-based gene therapy for open-angle glaucoma. The therapy aims to provide long-lasting efficacy with just a single in-office dose, offering significant improvements for patients suffering from this condition. Adaptimmune is selling its cell therapies to USWMCT for $55 million, with additional milestone payments. This sale comes amid a financial restructuring, which will result in a 62% reduction in its workforce as the company streamlines its operations. AstraZeneca has made the decision to discontinue Neogene's NT125 T-cell receptor therapy. The move follows disappointing Phase 1 results in cancer patients, and AstraZeneca is now prioritizing other strategic initiatives within its portfolio. Elpis Biopharmaceuticals has signed a partnership with the National Cancer Center Singapore to advance CAR-T therapies for solid tumors. The collaboration aims to bring cutting-edge immunotherapies to clinical trials, potentially changing the landscape for cancer treatment. Stay ahead in cell and gene therapy research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.